Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a unboxing video. To be entirely truthful to you, I do not know what these planes are. I just know these are some of the models that I ordered. I know at least a few of them are the NGs, and I think there's some Phoenix models in here as well. But we have this package and this package to open. Remember, if you do enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like on the video, and if you do enjoy aviation content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss future videos like this. So yeah, as I mentioned, this is probably going to be a Gemini Jets unboxing, an NG models unboxing, and a Phoenix models unboxing, but I do have more planes on the way. But we'll start off with the white box here. As I mentioned, I am not entirely sure what's in here, but we'll find out, I guess. So yeah, and I crossed out the address for reasons you should hopefully know, because I don't want everybody following me. Alright, so yeah, let's get straight into this one. I'm not entirely sure which one this is, but I haven't seen these, so you're gonna get my first reaction to these planes. Paper, whatever. Okay. Oh, sweet. Alright, so the first one we have is the Southwest Boeing 737-800. This is in the Canyon blue livery. We'll set that right there. Then we have the Sun Country Boeing 737-800. This is in the Tide Pod livery, or the new livery, as some of you guys call it. And then there's the order form. And there's one more down here, so I'm not actually sure what the other one is, but we're gonna save that one for another video, because this will just be the unboxing of these three planes right here. I'm very excited to see the her art. So yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing of these models. I'll put the camera angle better. Yeah, let's dive straight into it. Alright, we will start off with the Southwest Boeing 737-800. This is in the Canyon blue livery by NG Models, as you can see down here. I will be going over the box art because, as many of you know, the NG box art is more intricate than Gemini Jets. If this was a Gemini Jets, I would just not go over it because it can get boring. But anyway, here we have the Boeing 737-800. We have the Southwest tail running, across the part of the box. Then we have the computer-generated model in the smack middle. And then Southwest.com along the side up here. Then the NGTM, that's their logo, NG, which stands for New Generation Models. If we look on the back here, it is the exact same. It just has warning and choking hazards and stuff like that. But it has the NG logo on the top. On the side, we have Boeing 737-800 NG Southwest. On this side, computer-generated model Boeing 737-800 with the registration number. This is the same as the opposing side, and this is also the same as the opposing side. So we will dive straight in to the unboxing. I'm not going to actually I will open the plane. I don't want to break NG Models boxes because they're way beautiful, you know. We'll just put that over here, and then as you can see, it comes in a clear packaging. Not the safest for the models, but I have yet to get a broken NG model. Then we will take it out of the plastic, and we'll get right on to the review. Alright, so we come down here. Sorry that it's squeaking a little bit. So yeah, this is a absolutely stunning model just by looking at it. Let me actually tilt it the way it's supposed to go. There we go. Alright, so starting off at the top, we have, actually let me do this better. We have the nose cone right here, cockpit windows, the first landing gear, and the L1 boarding door. Then we go along, we have some more windows right here, all the way across here. Then we have the Canyon blue engines. We go down here, we have the beautiful winglets. They do a fantastic job on the detail of the split skims, I'm just saying. And here we have the over-the-wing exits with the white antenna on top. We go a little further down, and we have some more windows with the Wi-Fi box, another antenna. Then we have the registration, which is N8627B. Then we have the American flag on the logo right there. Let me focus it, sorry. Then we have the Southwest Airlines tail. I'm very, very happy I got this model. I was going to pass up on it, but oh good lord, I'm thankful I didn't. So let's get on to the Sun Country model. As you know, I had to save the United Her Art for last, because you always save the best for last. If you did make it this far, comment hashtag Sun Country. I don't know, I'm just doing a little experiment to see how that works. But let's get on to the box art. At the very top, we have the Boeing 737-800. We have the computer-generated model. The Sun Country logo with the registration. Their NG Models logo. Hold on, it's kind of struggling to focus. I don't want crappy video. Here we have the lines from the NG, or from the Sun Country, as you can see at the very back of the plane, They have lines on it, so that's where they get that box art from. If we look on this side, Boeing 737-800, computer-generated model, and then it says the registration, which is N830SY. Then we have Boeing 737-800, Sun Country Airlines NG models, 1/400 scale, collectible die-cast model on the bottom right. Then we have Boeing 737-800 NG, Sun Country computer-generated model with the registration right here. And this would be the same as the opposing side. So yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing. Many of you know, as I mentioned, NG has the absolute best box art. Like, it's not even worth throwing boxes away like you would to Gemini Jets. Like, I've thrown away a few Gemini Jets boxes accidentally. But these ones I'm, like, keeping in a safe. Because we cannot throw these precious things away. As the Southwest did, this comes in a clear plastic with the model inside. We take the top off, it just slides right off here. Oh, this is... Oops, they accidentally gave me two. They gave me two, but more protection the better, I guess you could say. And then we have the model lying right there with a plastic sheet above it for protection. Just because they're flimsy box packaging does not mean they do not care, because good lord, they have a lot of detail, and if these ever happened, if something ever happened, it would not be good. Alright, let's start off here with the model. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. NG, if you're watching this, you don't need to change a single bit about any mold you ever make. Here we have the nose cone with the cockpit windows and the first landing gear right here, as long as the L1 boarding door. And then up here we have the Sun Country with all white letters with the blue engines. Here's the wings, and then it has the all blue winglet right here. Here are the two over-the-wing exits on each side, so 4 total. We go further down the plane, a few more windows with the registration, which is... I can't read that, it's a silver tint. Then we have the American flag back here with the last exit door, in the back of the plane. Then we have the Sun Country logo with the blue and orange. And then we have the little like spider white lines on the blue paint, which look absolutely freaking phenomenal. Now, the part that you guys all came for, the United Her Art California one, which is a beautiful paint scheme. So yeah, let's dive straight into it. Alright, the moment you guys actually came to this video for, here we have the United Her Art. Oh lord, even the box art makes me a little... Oh goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, so we're going to be going over the box art one last time. I do apologize for that. But here we have the Boeing 757-200 with the United Her Art. If you don't know what the Her Art is, United did a competition for women, and they designed a plane, and whichever two got voted the most on, they put it on an actual plane. So this one won. I apologize, I don't know the lady that designed this, but she is very talented. And as you can see, she did a great job on the designs right here, and NG decided to match it perfectly. So at the bottom we have some palm trees and the Golden Gate Bridge in the background with some ocean water at the bottom. Let's get to the side of the box. Here we have the computer generated model, Boeing 757-200. Registration is N14106. If we go to this side of the box, we have the United 757-200 1/400 scale collectible model die-cast metal. This is the same as the other side I just showed you. And then this is also the same. So yeah, that is the beautiful box art that comes from NG Models. Now, for the part you've actually been waiting for, the actual plane. And I am aware that... Oh, I do not want to destroy this box, whatever I do. I am aware that some other... Oh, Lord help me. I did not just break that, did I? I am aware that some other people have done this, but... So yeah, one last look at the box. Right there. Gone. This one comes in a little different packaging. This comes in a foam with the plane on top. I'm assuming this is because of the antennas and engine, so this just plops right off with a protective plastic sheet that I also pulled off, and then your plane is just lying right there in the foam. As always, not damaged, unless I break it trying to pull the thing out. Oh, good lord. Oh, that was not good at all, but it's fine. Okay, if you see this on eBay, if it's like $3 grand, it is definitely worth it. Just thought I'd point that out. Holy crap. Okay, the detail from this is astonishing. If we start right here at the nose cone, we have the cockpit with sunglasses on it. Wow. Okay, then we have the L1 boarding door with the first landing gear down below. And then we have the United blue logos with the ocean water at the bottom. Then we have the all blue engines with the green, red, gray, blue, and green palm trees over the wings. And then, oh my goodness, look at those winglets. It even has a little tip on. Oh my god. Alright, sorry. Only reason I didn't unbox this before because I wanted you to see my first reaction, because I think that's how a unboxing should be. Then at the very top here we have the Wi-Fi box and then the Golden Gate Bridge on the back. Then we have some just purple with the new livery printed tail. As you can see, it is tinted at the very top. Very, very beautiful. And yeah, so that's it for the model. Let's see if we could get a quick look at the bottom actually, if you guys want. Nothing special. They don't put the NG logo, which I appreciate, because nobody wants to see that. It's supposed to be a realistic model. So yeah, let's get into a shot with all three planes. Alright, here we have all three beauties. Oh my goodness. Lined up next to each other. I'm gonna say this right now, this is my favorite unboxing I have ever done. The amount of quality that NG Models brings, the amount of effort. This one took them a solid like 3 months to make, the Her Art one, which would be right here. That took them a solid like 3 months to make. And this one took them about a month and a half, and this one took them about a month and a half as well. But if you look at it, you can see the quality that they put into these models. Like, I mean, if I took a picture of one of these and put it in the sky and did a perfect background, you wouldn't even think it was a model. I'm not even kidding. There's nothing different between this and the actual Herrar plane. So, if you guys can get your hands on any 3 of these models, which would be right there, and you were thinking, oh wait, I don't really want that, well, I definitely recommend you do, and I bet you are going to want it after you get it, because the detail is just astonishing. I'd like to thank you guys so much for the support I've been getting recently. As most of you know, we are almost at 2K subscribers on YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for about 3 years now, and I really appreciate all the support from you guys. It means a lot to me, and I'm very excited to be near 2K. And I'd like to thank you guys all for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please smash a like. Smash a like for NG, actually. That's what they'd want you to do. Smash a like. And if you do like aviation like this and these model unboxings, airport updates, trip reports, spotting videos, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you do not miss future aviation content like this. So I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I did hope you enjoyed this unboxing with these 3 gorgeous models, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be an airport update. Peace out.